Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to look at arbitrage. And what is this arbitrage we're talking about? We're going to look at how we can buy low and sell high within the same exchange bybit. You buy little and sell little. You buy low and also sell high, so I can make some rational profit. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do it to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So what do you just need to do? All you just need to do is simple. Navigate yourself to the market sessions here. Navigate yourself to the market sessions, and let's look at for a particular cryptocurrency coin that can be profitable for us. Now here we are on the market. These are all the cryptocurrency coin going on right here on the market. We're going to buy from one and sell in another. First, all you just need to do is to make sure you have some available USDT. If you don't have any USDT, try to fund your account using the Bybit P2P sections, or use your wallets to get funded. Okay, so which coin are we going to look at? We're going to look at a particular coin called DAI. Let's look for DAI, which is DAI. Look for DAI. I'm going to look for DAI. You can see it here because I often search for it. You can see it here, DAI against USDT. You can trade your USDT against DAI, or you convert from DAI, or you convert from USDT to DAI. You can see the candle of the DAI. You can see the previous movement and also the current movement. Alright, so all we just need to do, we're going to buy DAI. After we purchase DAI, we're going to trade it against ETH. And after we trade it against ETH, we'll come back again to trade it against USDT for profit. So without waste of time, let's quickly proceed. All you just need to do is to come to this place to buy. Let's assume we're using 1000 USD. Let's see 1000 DAI. How much will it be? Let's use 1000 USD to get 1000 UAI. Okay, I think they are both equivalent. Okay, all what is minus is some cents, because of what DAI is little above $1. This is what DAI is currently. This is the price of the DAI. So if you want to execute your trade instantly, come to this place to click on this arrow and choose market price. You can see you can choose market price. Then this is the only way you can execute your trade instantly. But when you use the limit, it's going to take you a little time before it can be executed. Okay, so without a waste of time, we're going to come to this place. Let's see the volume we're going to get when we will use 1000 USDT. So 1000 USDT, let's just say it's equivalent to 1000 DAI. You can see equivalent to 1000 DAI, 1000 USDT equivalent to 1000 DAI. You can see this is equal to this. Okay, so we have 1000 DAI. Now let's go. So we're going to trade the DAI that we have now, the 1000 DAI, against ETH, Ethereum, against ETH. All right. Okay, so now we'll go back to the market. Return yourself to the market here. Return yourself to the market sessions. Then come to this place to click on here. Click on the search bar. Then we're going to look for DAI against ETH. I always do this, so they're always available here. You can see this is the ETH against DAI. All right. Click on ETH. Now don't forget, we have 1000 DAI. We're going to trade it now against ETH. Right, so come to this place, impute a volume, the 1000 DAI. If you impute this 1000 DAI, now before I proceed, you must know that arbitrage can be on and off. Okay, in case you come to my comment section and be telling me it's not working for you. Yes, if it doesn't work for you, go to come back another time. It will definitely work for you. Okay, so let's try this time and let's see if it's working for us. So 1000 DAI, what is giving me? Is giving me 0.47760. 0.47760. Okay, 0.47760. That's what we'll get. We'll get ETH when we use the 1000 DAI for that. Okay, so here we go. You're going to write this down, or you copy it, 0.47760. That is what we're going to get. So that is what we have for now. We have 0.47760 ETH. So we're going to convert this particular ETH now. We're going to trade it against USDT. You can see that we started from USDT to DAI, from DAI to ETH, then from ETH back to USDT again. You can see this is how we move. All right, now we're going to trade the ETH against USDT. So come back to the market here. So click on the market. So here we are here on the market. We're going to look for now ETH USDT, right? ETH what? ETH USDT. You can see it here, because I always do this arbitrage, which is why I've already searched for all of them and they are always popping up. Okay, clicking on this place now, we're going to impute our volume. And what volume was that? 0.47760. Now come to this place, 0.47760. Now you see it. How much do we now have? Okay, how much do we now have? We have 7 USDT here instantly. This is what we have. 7 USDT what? 7 USDT instantly. 7.5. We have 7.5. So when you sell now, this is exactly what you're going to get. Remember, it was 1000 USD and now it's 1007.5. You can see this is how exactly this works. All right, this is how this works exactly. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have some available USDT, a very reasonable one. You must have a reasonable one if you need a reasonable profit. Get a reasonable one and you can make 7 to 10 USDT instantly. All right, you can make 7 to 10 USDT instantly without a waste of time. Okay, so keep doing this. You can do this one time, 2 times, 5 times, 10 times, even 40 times a day. Okay, so it does not have a limit. It does not have a what? It does not have a limit. So all you just need to do is to keep doing this and keep making your profit without a waste of time. So this brings us to the end of this class. If you find value from this amazing video, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. If you have any question, drop it. If you gain any value, drop it at the comment sections. Let me know that you have value from it. Just drop good or thanks. It will be appreciated. So thank you so much. Share this video.